Here's Lauren on April 28th. Almost a year. Are you enjoying that, Lauren? You gonna walk with it a little bit? Take a couple steps? Or just kind of mow that one part? No. Oh, it's doing some steps. Whoops. That's okay. Here you go. You do it. Lauren, do it. Yeah. Go for a little walk. Go take it over to Emma.
I'm making a crayon.
Oh, so, I see.
And then
Oh. Here's Lauren on April 28th. Almost a year. Look at you. Good job. Alright. Let's turn you around. Oh, you can turn yourself around? Here's Lauren spending some time on her feet all by herself. Today is April 28th. Whoa, Lauren, she's walking. Good job, Lauren.
do the party.
I think I'm smelling poo-poo somewhere. Whoa.
Right here.
You okay?
There she goes. You gonna take a little walk? Come over here. Come on. Yeah, come over here.
Take this foot over here.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. That's right. Good job. Hitting the towel. Good job, Lauren. Keep going. There you go. Nice. Good job. Good job. Whoa. You're okay.